Hello guys, welcome to my channel AD Vlogs and Talks. Hope you're doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Pycharm IDE for Python programming language in a machine which is running on Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started. First open your favorite web browser and type Pycharm in the search bar. Pycharm. In the web results, select the download Pycharm option. You will be redirected to jetbrains.com website. So they have developed this application. So here you will be having two versions of Pycharm which are available for download. The first one is the professional version and the second one is the community version. The drawback of professional version is that it comes with a trial period, and once the trial period expires you have to pay for it if you want to continue using it. Whereas the community edition is free to use, it doesn't have any trial period. So we will install the community version here. Let's download the file first. I will click on the download option. So once you click on the download option, you will be redirected to a page which says thank you for downloading Pycharm, and your downloading will start automatically. So I had downloaded this file earlier so that I don't waste your time. I had saved it in the downloads folder. So let me open the downloads folder. Here it is. Okay. So I will click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. Select the run option and then select the yes option here. Okay. Now here you will be seeing a window which says Pycharm Community Edition Setup. Just click the next option here, and then you will be redirected to choose install location window. Here you can select a drive wherever you want to install this community edition of Pycharm. So I'm not making any changes. I will just install in the default location. So once you are done selecting the drive, you can click on the next option. So after you click on the next option, you will be asked to configure your Pycharm installation. You can either select the 32-bit version or the 64-bit version. So I'm just selecting the 32-bit version. And one important thing to note here is make sure that you are selecting the checkbox with name .py, as we'll be dealing with Python files. So once you are done making these selections, click on the next option and then select the install option. So once you click on install, the installation process will start. It will extract all the files in order to install. Let's hope that it doesn't take much time to install. Okay. It's speeding up a little bit. Okay. We're almost done. All right. So guys, we are done installing the community edition of Pycharm. You can either launch it straight away by selecting the checkbox run Pycharm community edition, or just click on finish. So once you click on finish and see, you will see that the Pycharm gets installed on your machine. So happy programming, and thanks for watching my video.